Welcome, I'm glad you're watching this video and I hope you stay around until the end. Today I will show you the Constitution, or the Bill of Rights. Sit down, relax, grab some popcorn and enjoy the video. A man named Governor Morris of Pennsylvania was in charge of the committee to draft the final copy of the Constitution. Morris was given a task of putting all the convention's resolutions and decisions into a polished form. The original copy of the document is preserved in the National Archives building in Washington, D.C. Now let's start off by saying the Constitution is very important to the United States of America because they are intended to protect us from our government. So when they do act out of line, we as the people keep them in check by reminding them of our rights. I will show you the first 5 because in my opinion, they're the most important. First, the freedom of expression. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the rights of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Second, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. The meaning to this amendment is the right to bear weapons. So if you choose to keep guns, knives, etc. in your house, you can under the Second Amendment. The Third Amendment doesn't necessarily apply anymore, but I'm still gonna mention it. Third, no soldier shall in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but the manner to be prescribed by law. So the meaning of this amendment means that it prohibits soldiers from temporarily residing in private homes during peacetime without getting the permission and the consent of the owner. It is only legal to do this when it is wartime. It must still follow the law. Now for one of the most important amendments, besides the first, the Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects under unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and persons or things to be seized. The Fourth Amendment protects people from being searched or having their things taken away from them without any good reason. If any government or any law enforcement official wants to do that, he or she must have a very good reason to do that and must get permissions to perform the search from a judge. So if the police want to take something from you or search you, you have the right to tell them no, and they have to file a warrant. And finally, the Fifth Amendment protects you from being held committing a crime unless you have been indicted correctly by the police. The Fifth Amendment is also where the guarantee of due process comes from, meaning that the state and the country have to respect your legal rights. I hope you all learned something from watching this, and make sure you exercise your rights every day. Memorize them. They're important and need to be remembered. Thank you for watching, and make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you did enjoy.